yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine. You already know, but if you don't, welcome. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. As you can see, today is Christmas Day. We're so excited, right? Right?
Oh!
She's just ready to open her gifts, you guys. She is so ready, but I wanted to like get up and get myself together so I'm not looking too crazy. I literally stayed up until like 6 in the morning wrapping gifts and just making sure everything was perfect. So yeah, we're gonna start opening gifts. She has her first gift. I'm gonna move you guys back so you guys can see. Why are you so scared of everything? Okay, come on. Open it, girl. So cute. It has the diaper rash ointment, baby wipes, bib, and it's like a really cute bag. So I thought she'd really like that. Come on. What is it? Oh. What do you have? Open it with 2 hands. Computer, like mommy. Do you like it? You like it? Oh, it's the laptop. Go ahead. Whoa, what is it? What is it? Doors that you can open and a key. I got her this little key like latch door thing because she loves just opening stuff. Like she loves little stuff like this. So they have little latches on there. It has like a key, so she's really gonna like this one. Whoa. Did you get a book? You got 2 books. All right, open your next gift. Put your books to the side. Next gift. What is it? It's a swan. Wow.
Duck.
Yeah, it's a duck, but it's a swan. Wow, do you like it? Snazzy the Swan. So you put like the little scent bag in it and it just smells so good. Comes with like the little scent bag. Ooh.
Baby.
Yes. like that one? You like it? Wow. Pop, pop, pop. To the other side and go pop, pop.
No.
All right, come on, let's open the other gifts. Look, so many other gifts. You have other gifts. Y'all, she is like loving this one.
No.
What is it? Look. What is it? Barbies. I got her these two Barbies. Barbie number 1. This is a pup adoption Barbie. And this is a doctor Barbie. She's a NICU nurse. Whoa, you got a ukulele? Wow. Why are you laughing? It's a baby. Look. It's a baby. Y'all, she's afraid of the baby.
Baby.
And look, mommy got you something to go with the baby. Go get that. Look, right there, get that. Bring it over here. Are we coming apart? It's a stroller. Wow. It's a stroller, baby. It's vegetables. Wow.
Oh no.
You got vegetables? This is so cute. What? And you can cut them up. You gotta open it. Cut it. Press it down. Yay! Good job. Oh. Right here. What is it? What's going on? Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh. But you walk on it though. Walk. Walk. Yay. Look, your stroller. Stuck out. Drop the baby in her stroller. In her diaper bag and take this to her. Oh snap. Hold on. Mommy, take it out. Wow. Alright, hold it like this. Hold it in one hand. Sit down. And now, do it. I know you're gonna like this one. What? right, y'all, this is our plate. This is my plate. And this is my baby's plate. You ready to eat? Wait, everybody say Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yeah, y'all going on my YouTube.
Do a 360, Jasmine.
Y'all going on my YouTube, by the way.
Oh my.